Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is Edwards Equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. This Mickey Mouse telephone was given to Edward by Walt Disney World. So there is a plaque on this unit, and that's a really cool situation. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this Mickey Mouse telephone and what needs to be done. The linkage that runs inside of Mickey down to the main PC board hook switch, that linkage that controls the plunger for the hook hanger, which is Mickey's hand that holds the handset, is broken. So we need to repair the linkage and take care of that issue. Another issue that needs to be repaired is at some point liquid was spilt inside of Mickey, and it spilt into the modular line port for the line cord and on the main PC board. So we want to resolder where the main PC board solder connections are corroded. We also want to replace the modular port for the line cord because the pins in the modular port are corroded and they're going to break off. So we'll take care of that issue. We will be troubleshooting the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repairs to this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, May 19th. The current time, 4:51 p.m. and the temperature, 68 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Edward and he can enjoy Mickey once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.